The BMW Z4 is known as an iconic roadster, boasting a sporty design, BMW-like handling, and premium comfort. This has been true since its first generation. Entering 2026, BMW is rumored to be launching the latest Z4 with a number of significant updates that combine classic roadster styling with modern technology. What's so interesting about this latest model? Let's discuss it right away. The 2026 BMW Z4 is expected to retain its long, low silhouette, a two-door roadster. Some new features to expect include: the signature BMW kidney grille appears slimmer with thin chrome accents for a modern look. The matrix LED headlights are sharper, complemented by narrow-line daytime running lights, DRLs, that emphasize the sporty look. 19 20-inch wheels with a new aerodynamic design. The electric soft-top roof remains for lightweight performance, while also improving sound insulation. The front bumper and rear diffuser are optimized for aerodynamics, while also enhancing the aggressive look. The cabin will combine luxury and more modern digital technology. The BMW curved display combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and a 14.9-inch infotainment system. The iDrive 9 infotainment system is based on Android Automotive with OTA updates. Interior materials include premium Vernasca leather or Alcantara, with carbon fiber or aluminum accents. Sport seats offer increased lateral support, heating and ventilation. A Harman Kardon or Bowers Wilkins audio system is optional for a premium experience. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Z4 will likely continue to offer a 2.0L turbocharged four-cylinder engine with around 270 horsepower. A new 8-speed automatic transmission with quicker shifts is also available. Rear-wheel drive, RWD, is standard, with an adaptive suspension and a sport differential. The 2026 BMW Z4 will be equipped with modern technology: driving assistant professional, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, park assist plus with a 360 degrees camera and remote parking, a head-up display with sharper graphics, and comprehensive safety features, AB, blind spot monitoring, and cross-traffic alert. The 2026 BMW Z4 is expected to be priced between $58,000 and $70,000 globally. The 2026 BMW Z4 will be a combination of classic roadster and futuristic technology, aimed at sports car enthusiasts who still prioritize a luxurious lifestyle. Are you interested?